Good morning, friends. Today we are going to learn about evolution of telecommunication switching system, where we are going to see what is point-to-point communication, then what is the need of a switching system, and then what are the basic functions of a switching system. Now, basically, point-to-point communication is first thought of by Mr. Alexander Graham Bell, where he has connected two different points using a wire and try to send a message, a signal. Now, in this world, we have a many number of subscribers, people who needs to be communicated among them. Now, for that, what we require is we need to connect each and every person to the other using a wire. Now, here the number of links, that is the connecting wire between two subscribers, will be, if we consider the number of subscribers is equal to n, in that case the number of links will be n into n minus 1 divided by 2. Now just imagine if I have 1,000 number of subscribers, what will be the number of links which are required. Now it is quite difficult to handle, maintain, as well as lay such a huge number of wires for point-to-point communication. Now with this limitation, it was a thought of about a switching system or a switching office where each and every subscriber within that area is terminated or is connected to a centrally located office where basically all the subscribers are connected. Now if you see in this case, for each subscriber there will be one link, so the number of links will be equal to the number of subscribers. And what we require in this case, the additional facility is to control, to manage those particular resources within that switching system, because in this case we need to connect the source and destination. For that we need a signaling part, where the signaling function, basically what it does is draw attention of switching system to establish and to release the connection. So if you see the a switching system which has basically various number of terminations which are by subscribers, and there is a centrally located signaling system which basically monitors, controls these particular subscribers for initialization for and termination of that particular call. Now let us understand what are the basic functions which needs to be performed by that switching system. First is very important thing is that setup and release connection. If a call is in process, or rather call is to be processed, we have to set up a call, and if it is in process we have to release that particular call as and when required by that particular source and destination. For that, to set up a call, the function required is attending. Now the switching system has to continuously monitor all the incoming subscribers for a call, where it basically check whether any subscriber is initializing a call, and if it is so, then what it does is, next function is information receiving. It receives the destination address, it processes it, basically that is the next function, and then so in this process it understands the destination where it's to be the call is to be connected. Then it checks if that particular destination is busy or free. So if it is a free, then in that case it alerts both called party and calling party, and once if the called party receives that particular call, then in that case the interconnection takes place. Now there are three different connections which needs to be done in this interconnection. That is the connection between a connection to the call terminal from switching office, a connection to the calling terminal from the switching office, and a connection between these two terminals. So there are three interconnections which needs to be established. The next function is basically supervision, where that particular established call has to be monitored for billing purpose, where the calling party will be billed for that particular duration. If that is a supervision, okay, if the call is intended, rather the destination is not belonging to that particular switching office, in that case the information sending process is very important, where the switching office sends the information to the next switching office where the destination may to which the destination may belongs to. So this is what a information sending. Thank you.